What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about how to know if your video credit card application is approved. Paano nga ba natin malaman kung yung video credit card ba natin, yung pag-apply natin is na-approve para hindi tayo nag-expect sa wala. Kasi minsan, nakakancel siya ng hindi nagpapaalam si video. Basta na lang cancel yung application. So ngayon, para mas mabote yung pag-expect natin, much better to check the status of our video credit card application kung ito ba ay approved or declined. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung link kung saan nyo pwedeng i-check at saka yung hotline number kung saan kayo pwede tumawag to verify or check the status of your video credit card application. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, to know if your video credit card application or video credit card is approved, watch for an SMS or email update from BDO saying you're approved. So, much better guys to wait for their notification. But sometimes walang dumarating about the updates of your BDO credit card application. Check the BDO online or pay application for your inactive card. Kasi minsan guys, halimbawa nag-apply kayo tapos walang dumarating na email or text message of notification na yung credit card application nyo is approved. Basta na lang siya nag-reflect sa BDO online. Alam niyo naman siguro yung BDO online, di ba? Kapag nag-enroll kayo ng savings account nyo sa BDO online, makikita nyo lahat ng accounts nyo doon. Loans, credit cards, savings account. So ngayon, halimbawa nag-apply kayo, kung ano yung in-applyan yung credit card, like for example, BDO Platinum. So, mag-reflect yan doon as inactive card. Malalaman yung inactive card siya, it's because may nakalagay sa baba na activate card. Or call the BDO contact center at 632-8888-0000 to follow up. So, much better guys, you should call the BDO contact center. So, when we say contact center, dun lahat, para masagot lahat ng katanungan mo. Kasi minsan talaga, hindi rin masasagot lahat. Like for example, nag-email sila or nag-text na approve or declined. Much better to call them kung ito ba ay declined. So you can ask further details about your credit card application, bakit declined. Yeah, lahat yun guys is malalaman nyo sa BDO Contact Center. You'll get another alert when it's dispatched for delivery. Then activate it once received. So, sa mga approved credit cards kasi guys, is kapag na-approve, tapos papadala kayo, congratulations, your video credit card has been approved. Tapos another nyan, after a few days, magte-text ulit na yung credit card nyo is dispatched na for delivery. Then, ito yung methods guys, aside from waiting for the SMS, kung minsan nga walang dumarating, may mga iba pang methods to check if your video credit card application is approved. Methods to check status via SMS or email. BDO sends updates via text or email once application is approved and again when the card is out for delivery. Ngayon the thing guys is, minsan pag wala sa SMS, pwede nyo i-check sa email. Tapos, minsan naman kung baka hindi nyo nakita sa email, check nyo yung spam folder sa email address nyo guys. Kasi ganun yung nangyari sa ibang cases. Like, dumarating na yung notification ni BDO, ang dami-daming emails na approve na nga yung application. Walang nare-receive si client. Tapos, ngayon, ang gagawin nyo is, i-check nyo yung spam folder. Mamaya, andun lahat nagsama-sama na yung emails from the email of approval. Kasi minsan, pag walang text message, sa email sila nagpapadala ng notification of approval or declination. So ngayon, much better to check the spam folder, baka nandun na ipon. Alam niyo naman siguro kung paano mag-check ng spam folder sa email, di ba? Then, BDO Online or BDO Pay application. Log in to view your inactive card and details if approved. So, sa BDO Pay, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, alam niyo naman siguro yung BDO application or BDO Online at saka BDO Pay application. Halos magka-the same lang sila, halos magkaparehas lang, but they got different features and purposes. Sa BDO Pay kasi is, you can pay using that application, which is yung Scan to Pay. Sa BDO Online naman, nandun lahat ng savings, ng loans, ng credit cards. Makikita nyo doon. Then doon kayo pwede mag-send ng pera. Even sa BDO Pay, pwede din. But BDO Pay has more features compared to BDO Online. So sana aware kayo guys sa BDO Online and BDO Pay application ni BDO since may account kayo sa kanila. Pangatlo is BDO Contact Center. Call +6328888000 to inquire about your application status. So the best thing to do guys, if meron lang naman kayong landline, no, much better to call them na lang talaga. Kasi yun yung pinaka-best way to understand about the situations, bakit wala kayo nare-receive. Halimbawa, na-check na ninyo yung spam folder ng email ninyo or hindi kaya malang text message. So better to call them to clear up everything. Kasi kailangan talaga yun since dun sila lang talaga yung nakakaalam. Huwag nyo itatanong sa agent, sa bank teller, aawahin nyo yung taga-bangko, yung sa branch nila. Hindi naman nila alam yun. Since wala silang access, limited lang yung access nila. So, sa BDO Contact Center, ipo-forward kayo ngayon sa credit card department which has all details that you need to know. Kapag ano yung itatanong mo, masasagot nila agad. Since lahat ng details is naka-display sa monitor nila. Sa call center, kumbaga. Sa BDO Contact Center, kumbaga. Then, pwede rin guys sa BDO website. There is an application status inquiry link on their customer service page to check. So, paano nag-apply kayo via online, guys, di ba? Kung napapansin nyo, binigyan kayo ng reference number. Ngayon, yung reference number na yan is yun yung ilalagay nyo doon sa link, which is ilalagay ko sa description yung link ng application status checker, kumbaga. Para ilalagay niyo yung reference number na yun, tapos magdi-display kung ito ba ay canceled, declined, or approved kapag walang text message or email na dumating. Maraming options, guys, actually, to check about your BDO credit card application. What happens next? You get notified SMS or email. So, via email, tulad na sabi kanina, yun yung pinaka-primary source of information nyo kung ito ba ay approve yung BDO credit card application nyo or declined. Then, pangalawa is card delivery. Another notification when it's dispatched to your address, usually 7 to 15 banking or business days after approval. So, lalo-lalo na guys sa probinsya, halimbawa na-approve, let's say na-approve yung BDO credit card application nyo. You have to wait certain period of time. It's because kapag nasa probinsya kayo, of course, mas malayo yung ita-travel ng shipping or yung courier nila. Tapos, sa Metro Manila naman, sumabot lang minsan ng 4 days, 5 days, guys. Actually, andun na. Tapos ngayon, kung hindi dumarating sa address ninyo, kung ano yung naka-indicate doon nung nag-apply kayo ng BDO credit card, after 3 attempts, tumawag kayo sa credit card delivery hotline. Tapos, mag-request kayo ng pick up by branch. Ganun yung sure way para makuha yung BDO credit card. Tips na lang din. Then, activation. Activate your card once you receive it. Of course, kailangan mo i-activate yun since hindi pa yun activated. So, pag sinabing hindi activated, hindi mo magagamit yun pang purchase sa merchants. Hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yun sa online shopping since inactive pa yung credit card ninyo. So, yun lamang guys. So, sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!